Absa Bank Zambia and the Football Association of Zambia have confirmed that the 2025 Absa Cup semi-finals will take place at Levi Mwanawasa Stadium in Ndola on 26 April 2025. The decision follows extensive consultations and a thorough review of logistics, security, and stakeholder input. Security agencies on the Copper Belt have assured organizers of adequate personnel to maintain law and order before, during, and after the matches. Absa Bank Head of Marketing and Corporate Affairs, Mato Shimawale, said they are committed to delivering a world-class football experience. And FAS General Secretary Ruben Kamanga has urged fans to attend in large numbers and uphold the values of unity and fair play that define Zambian football.